Hey guys, did you ever hear about how code snippets can make your life easier in PowerShell? Let's see what are code snippets and how they can be used. They serve as templates for common code patterns or frequently used code segments. In PowerShell ISE, if I press Ctrl J on my keyboard, you have access to all the snippets that are installed on your computer. You can create uh, custom ones for your needs. So let's say that there's a block of code that I'd like to reuse on many of my scripts, or there's a few lines of code that I don't want to forget. So the snippets can be used in such terms. So how do I use them? To use the snippets, you can create a new one using the new ISC snippet applet. If you press enter, you have to enter a title to your new snippet. So let's say test one. Description, this is, you have to put this. This is a test. And text, let's say we'll copy paste the get aliases. So the test one snippet will be a get alias. So if I press Ctrl J again, you should see down there test one. And if I double click on it, the code will automatically be read. Otherwise, if I want to know all the applets, all the snippets that I have installed, you get ISE snippet, and then you see your custom snippets. You can remove them using the remove item and the path where it is located on your computer. So in this case, that would be it. And if you restart ISC, the snippet should be gone. You guys, if I press Ctrl J again, you won't see anymore in the list the snippet.